Overview: How to spy on top affiliate offers using AI tools. Ever wondered how the top dogs of affiliate marketing always seem to be ahead of the curve? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on their secret weapon: artificial intelligence. That's right, in this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of how to spy on top affiliate offers using AI tools. We will explore the transformative power of AI, the tools that are changing the game, and a step-by-step guide on how to harness these resources for your benefit. And you'll want to stick around till the end, because we'll also reveal how to keep your strategy agile and effective in the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing. It's a fast-paced ride into the future of marketing, and you don't want to miss it. Section 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. To understand the importance of monitoring top affiliate offers, we must first grasp what affiliate marketing is. It's a form of online marketing where a company pays a commission to an external website for generating traffic or sales through its referrals. As an affiliate marketer, your goal is to identify and promote the best offers to your audience. However, this is not as simple as it seems. With the vast digital landscape teeming with countless affiliate offers, the challenge lies in pinpointing the one with the highest potential. This is where artificial intelligence comes into play, offering us the ability to streamline the process and make informed decisions. Just to add, it's worth noting that it's not only about identifying and promoting offers, it's about establishing a rapport with your audience, understanding their needs and wants, and offering solutions that resonate with them. With the right tools, affiliate marketing transcends being a simple promotional exercise. It becomes a fine-tuned approach to creating valuable connections, relationships, and experiences driven by the profound insights afforded by artificial intelligence. Section 2. The power of AI in affiliate marketing. AI technology, with its ability to analyze and process large volumes of data accurately and swiftly, has transformed the affiliate marketing arena. AI tools can help identify trends, analyze competitor strategies, and predict user behavior. They enable marketers to understand the market better and uncover golden affiliate opportunities that could otherwise remain hidden in the vast sea of data. To give you a little more insight into the sheer power of AI, imagine this: each time a user interacts with a digital platform, they leave a data trail. This data, when collected and analyzed, can provide valuable insights into user behavior, preferences, and habits. With AI's ability to process these vast amounts of data swiftly and efficiently, affiliate marketers can unlock a treasure trove of insights, turning raw data into actionable strategies. Section 3. AI tools for spying on top affiliate offers. Now that we've established the significance of AI in affiliate marketing, let's move on to the main topic of our discussion: how to spy on top affiliate offers using AI tools. We'll cover several AI tools that have been game changers in the field. 1. Competitive intelligence tools. First up are competitive intelligence tools like SEMrush and SpyFu. These tools use AI algorithms to provide a deep dive into your competitors' affiliate strategies. They allow you to understand which products or services are being promoted, the keywords they're targeting, and the platforms they're using. By spying on your competitors, you can find new affiliate offers and adjust your strategies accordingly. 2. Predictive analytics tools. Next, we have predictive analytics tools such as RapidMiner and Alteryx. These solutions use advanced algorithms to analyze historical and current data, predicting future trends and customer behavior. They help you identify which affiliate offers are likely to become popular, allowing you to get a head start in promoting them. 3. AI-powered social listening tools. Tools like Brand24 and Mention use AI to monitor social media platforms and the wider web, tracking mentions of your brand, competitors, or specific keywords. By keeping a close eye on the conversation, you can discover new affiliate offers that are creating a buzz and have high potential. 4. Affiliate marketing AI tools. Specific tools like Volume and Advice are dedicated to improving your affiliate marketing efforts using AI. They provide features like tracking, optimization, and even predictive analytics, allowing you to manage, track, and optimize your affiliate offers all in one place. Further to the AI tools we've discussed, it's important to mention that the market is continuously evolving, and new AI tools are regularly being developed. This means that the tools you use today might not be the most efficient tomorrow. Always keep an eye out for the developments and advancements in this sphere, because the right tool can be the difference between a successful affiliate marketing strategy and a mediocre one. Section 4. Steps to spy on top affiliate offers using AI tools. Having discussed the AI tools, let's now move on to a step-by-step guide on how to spy on top affiliate offers using these AI tools. Step 1. Define your goals. Before using any AI tool, it's essential to define what you're trying to achieve. Are you trying to uncover new affiliate offers, analyze competitor strategies, or predict future trends? Step 2. select the right AI tool. Based on your goals, select the AI tool that best fits your needs. If you're trying to analyze competitor strategies, a competitive intelligence tool might be the best fit. Step 3. Set up the AI tool. Each AI tool will have its setup process. Typically, this involves inputting the necessary data, such as keywords or competitors, and configuring your settings. Step 4. Analyze the data. Once setup is complete, the AI tool will begin collecting and analyzing data. This could involve tracking competitor strategies, monitoring social media conversations, or predicting future trends. Step 5. Implement insights. Lastly, use the insights gained from the AI tool to make informed decisions. This could involve promoting new affiliate offers, adjusting your strategies, or investing in future trends. Remember that AI is a tool that aids your strategy. It doesn't replace your strategic thinking and decision-making. As you use AI tools to spy on top affiliate offers, remember to balance these insights with your knowledge of your audience and your brand values. Always test and tweak your approach based on the results. Remember, technology provides insights, but human intuition and creativity make these insights powerful and impactful. To wrap up, it's clear that artificial intelligence holds immense potential for those in affiliate marketing. By leveraging AI tools to spy on top affiliate offers, you're equipped to make data-driven decisions that can propel your affiliate marketing strategy to new heights. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into AI's capabilities in spying on top affiliate offers. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning,